main parts which we draw normally, that is the head, which we consider as a circular head, and of the head is the body where the wings is there and the body is there of the bird, which is nothing but the shape of the leaf or a heart, anything, half heart, half leaf, and then we design the bird completely. We shape it, but the main basic block of the bird is this. That is a circle and a half leaf as a body. And the proportion, if you want to write it down, because whenever if you want to do other bird, you can just take the other printout and make your own. That is what I expect from all of you. Right now I have given you a lot of concept. I have given at least 3 to 4 different design concept I have discussed with you. So you can choose your own artwork, reference artwork, and you can try to sketch it. Okay, so now the body, and bird has body, that is the head plus body. That is the main part where the body has all wings. Right now we are going to do it on this stage only. Now what is the proportion of head? It is always there, head and body proportion is there. So there are 3 types of bird. One is small bird. No, there are 4 types. Water body birds are also there. That I have not considered. Then is the medium one. Third one is the large one, like eagle, vulture, and all that. A very the strong birds. They are not large one, but they are very strong birds. Okay, and the last one is water body birds, but their proportion is completely different. Okay, it's according to the artwork what we choose. It is according to that. The neck is long depending upon which bird we choose. Okay, so first we are going to consider here only these 3. For the small bird, if you see the sparrow, the lovebirds, the spring birds, all that birds, their proportion of the head and the body, I'm saying head, I'll write H plus B. The proportion is always in 1 is to 2. Means if you make a head of 2 centimeter, the body will be 4 centimeter, little bit bigger than that. As they are small birds, so that is the proportion. Okay, now for medium it is 1 is to 2.5 to 3 depending upon the bird. Means if it is the bird is not fully developed, then it comes 2.5, not more than that. Parrot, when we draw the parrot, or when we draw the crow, or any that proportion, it is always 1 is to 2.5. And the strong birds, it is always between 1.325 to 3.5. It can come little bit to 3. So we say it varies from 3 to 3.5. This is the proportion of the 3 birds which fly in sky. Yeah, water body birds also, some of them they sky, but they fly, but it's not. Their proportion is totally different because they have a small head and they have a big body. So it is in the range of 1 is to 5. This sometimes we'll do one study of flamingo, or we will do study of duck or anything. There I'll show you how it is 1 is to 5. Okay, right now we are in this part. It's not a very strong, but the bird, you can go from here medium or strong bird. The token is counted in medium also when it is in the baby stage, and when it becomes completely whole, this it comes in the strong bird. This, so according to the reference artwork, we are just going to see one. Just ignore this. This is a blue color mark on the paper. Okay, now I'll show with the reference picture. Now in this, I am going to make a circle. This is the circle for the head. Wait, I'll take a colorful pencil so that everyone black pencil is there. So if this is a circle, everyone can see? This is the head. Okay, now as I said, that head and the body is joined with a half heart shape, or you can say half leaf shape or anything. Now where will be this body, the body of this toucan will be joined. You can't join it from top because the toucan has moved its face and just watching on the other side, the opposite side. So my body will start from here and I shape it afterwards, but this is the body part. It starts from here to here, and this I'm going to draw the leaf shape from here, then shape it, but the first leaf shape is here. Is it clear? This is the neck which we are going to draw it, but this is the so the block of the bird is ready with us. That is the circle for the head and the body leaf shape is there. Then how to connect and how to shape it, that will do. So first we will start, make the block and then we will sketch it. So for that, always we take the reference lines, and that which are the lines? That is our standing line and sleeping line, or the horizontal line or vertical line. I don't know. Yeah, horizontal line and the vertical line.
Ma'am, do we have to like?
Yes, what do you have to make?
Ma'am, do we have to make the lines in which like you made in the A4 sheet?
This you will have to make. Do you have the printout? Do you have the printout of the bird? No, na? In this you will have to make it. Okay? And those who have in the printout will make it in the printout, because then it will help you from where to where you will have to draw the line.
Ma'am, I don't have printout.
Then draw, I'm just going to show, then draw it like that.
Ma'am, where?
On the paper.
On the paper where we draw?
Yes. Once done, just tell me. Huh? On the paper. Those who have done on the paper. Now, 4 parts are there. For when we divide the paper into 4 parts, there are 4 quarters, 1, 2, 3 and 4. The head and the half of the body lies in second one, half comes in the third one, and the tail comes in the fourth one. So most of the bird is in the second part. Remaining part comes on the fourth one, but the strong part, that is the legs and the claws of the bird, is in this one. Only the beak is there covering the first part. So we'll make it accordingly. So first we'll try to draw the circle. So if you can see, where is the circle? Just from your center line, 2 fingers, little bit less than the 2 fingers of mine. My 2 fingers are white, and from this down, that is sleeping reference line, it is 3 fingers up. Okay, so first what I am going to do, On the left hand side with my hand, I'm not going to take my two fingers, mark it. I'm just going to come before that, mark one line, two fingers, just mark it. Those who have printout will just take a measurement with the help of your pencil. This is how we take the measurement. I've made a circle, just plot it on the make
Ma'am,
the
what
line.
What
Yes.
is the length of the line?
Huh? This is the
What-
line, the circle. Where will be the circle end is this, what curve comes, na? It is touching the circle. So you can just see how much distance is this curve from the body. Little bit inside, you can take that measurement, and this is the point. Make the line. Take a measurement in your printout. Those who have printout, just take a measurement. It's almost 2 centimeter or little bit more than that. Same if I want to see from down, I can go up to here, or as I said, the measurement from my center line is 3 fingers above. So I'm just keeping my 3 fingers, I'm marking a point, and I'm just making one square. This circle is almost 1 second. I'll tell you how much centimeter it is. It's 5 centimeter circle. 5, little bit less than that. Roughly I'm seeing. I'm going to draw in this way. Rushan, are you able to understand this, or should I repeat it?
No.
So I have made a square. Normally it's a, but only for to make it very simple, I made it square. I'm just going to make a circle inside it. You can take a circular.
Printout is a bit larger than your bird, ma'am. Should I make it according to the
Yes,
printout or
you
according to
can,
your
you can, you can make according to your the printout.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. So I'm just making the circle here. You can divide this rectangle one. Rectangle, it's not rectangle, sorry, square. Yeah. Into half, making 4 quarters, and just join the 4 quarters. This is roughly we require. Or you can directly take your circular object. This has become a little bit big. I come inside to draw. Yes, my circle is ready. Yes, everyone will draw line. Don't go on my artwork. I'm just making it dark so that it is visible for all of you. So if I erase this, my circle is ready. Rushan, are you able to make it? Grant, are you able to make it? Because if you don't tell me, then I'll not be able to know. I know others, they will tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Srinitya, sorry. Srinitya, are you able to make it? Okay. Ira, Nidhi, Vedika, Arish,
circle.
Yes. I'll see everyone's once you have drawn the head
Mom,
and
I'm
body.
doing according to my printer.
Okay.
Print out.
Okay, no
That's the
problem.
reason it's kind of big.
It's okay, no problem. Yes, Iraira, what happened? Wait. Iraira, I'm going to see everyone's once we draw the body, then I'm going to see everyone's if it is okay and all. It's not that the placement, when you draw the head and body properly, you can shape it little bit here and there. It can go little bit on the top or it can come little bit down. But we can shape it accordingly and then the bird is okay. This is only for our reference picture, this. We can draw it properly, okay? Once you have done with the circle, everyone will tell me. Done? Now we are going to draw this line from where, if you can see, this line is crossing our center point, this one. So it is very easy for us to draw the body line. So and where it is touching the circled head on the slide this side. So just from here, just take a point slightly here and draw, just take your scale and draw one straight line. While shaping, if it looks, it is not proper, we can change the diagonals, but we can shape it. Only thing I can see this line crossing through the center point. Now if you can see how much distance from here to here. I was just checking from here to here. You have to go down on the same line, little bit inside it is. So you can take the same distance from, just measure with your pencil from the point where you have touched the head up to the center point and just come down and mark a point. It is coming here. Now, as I said, the relation between the head and the body. So if you want to see, I'll just keep my head distance is this much. I'll just see whether it is 3 times or not. One is this point, then second is this point, and this is the third. So exactly 3 times. The shape you can just see 1, 2 and 3. It may little bit big or little bit small.
For me,
Yes.
it's coming only two, ma'am, not 3.
Huh?
It's coming only 2, not 3.
You will have to make this like that. If it is, which board you are drawing, show me. Because it is going to come, it is same here also. I was just checking whether if I am wrong, whether it is right or not. So it is there. 3, 2 and 7, 5 or 3. Almost 3. Little bit this much only the pencil lead is not coming, less than that. But if I take this feather in that, it is going to 3. So show me this printout of your this. Vedika Reddy, you're on mute.
Ma'am, when I am making the first point, you
Yeah.
said to make it from the distance of how much the head is.
From here to here. I've taken a measurement. Luckily, it is same. From here to here and down is it same. So I have taken a measurement from this part and same part I have marked it down.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I can only get 2 times of the head for my body. Ma'am, you have to do it. And my head is 7 centimeters. My head.
What?
My bird's head is 7 centimeters.
7 centimeter. Show me your
Yes,
printout.
Ma'am, because my printout is like this, ma'am. You told to copy my printout.
It is on A3 size or A4 size?
A4 only, ma'am.
Then the size of the board, the body size will increase. You'll have to make this shape on your printout, and then only you'll have to plot it. You are not going to draw with my plotting. You'll have to make a
Ma'am,
circle
I did it with
on
the
your
printout.
printout. Huh?
I did it with the printout only.
Then it is going to
comes
come.
7
No,
centimeters.
no. Then it will not come to 2 times. Just check it out with the circle. See where I have made the circle. Or go
Ma'am,
with me
it's a-
and listen. Vedika Reddy, go with me. I have
Ma'am,
given
if
you.
you take the tail also should be count. If I count the tail, it's going to come 3. If I
No,
don't
I
count
have
it,
not count the tail. You can sketch with me. Keep your printout aside, and then when you're there at home, just draw the circle properly on the head, and just make the body, and just count it.
Ma'am,
It
is
is.
my copy correct, which I'm doing now?
No, it will not come proper. Okay, 1 minute,
Ma'am,
Rusha.
now I got it 3, ma'am. Is it correct?
It is 3. It is 3 only. 3 times.
Ma'am, I
Yes.
have to do it like this.
Yes, you'll have to do it like this. Just take a measurement from here to here. Same will be the down.
Ma'am, I did it.
Okay, no, wait. First, I'll make a shape. Now, see the shape. We are going to make a leaf shape. This is a leaf shape. So, for that, I'm just taking a point on my sleeping line. It's only a reference. It can change the shape little bit if the shape is not proper. I'm marking it here, and on the standing line, I'll tell how much is the distance. I've taken the measurement here and marked it on the standing line. Okay, now how much is this distance? From this side, from the left side, it is almost 3.5 finger. Not 3.5, more. This is 3 marking, so just come little bit inside. From your left side, your will be 3.5, because as for this is here. And from the standing sleeping line, it is 3 finger down. Now from this point, I'll just make this shape. A curve shape going curve outwards, and when I come towards this point, I'll join it here. So while making this shape, if your point is going little bit outside, it's okay, no problem. You can then change it afterwards. Now, once you have done this, everyone will show me. If this is right, then we will be able to shape our bird properly. Keep this line like that only for the tail. Let it be like, don't erase anything. Very good, Iraira. Iraira, but can you see? This is not a half circle. It's a leaf shape. Yours it is, you have drawn a circle. Almost circle shape. It's not a circle. It's a leaf shape. Elongated heart shape, you can see. Yes. Shivani. Very good, Shiva. Shape is right. Just give a little bit inside. We are going to erase it, but go a little bit inside.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Yes, Krishan, done. Then do it. Sketch it and show me. Yes, Grant, Path.
Ma'am, is this okay?
Yeah, show me. First, show me. Parth, this will come in this way. One more thing. If you can see this line, the headline and this body line is coming straight. That also is there. Just check it out. Come out outward that much. This circle and this to make the shape.
Okay, ma'am.
It will not come flat. Very good, Iraira. Yes, Nandini, show me. Hold it straight. Very good, Nandini. Yes, others. Rushan, show me. Krishan, show me. Srinidhi, 1 minute, Risha. Just do it. Rushan, 1 minute. I'll just see. Okay, Srinidhi, it is okay. Yes, Rushan, show me yours. Grant, show me yours. Hold it straight, Rushan. Very good. Yes, Vedika Reddy, you can show me. Krishan, this is circular shape. It's not flat. Can you see? It has a curve. It's not a flat curve like this. Give a curve here. Yes, Vedika Reddy. Very good. Yes, Grant, show me yours.
Ma'am, is it okay? Now?
Yeah, 1 minute, 1 minute part. Grant, is this distance and this distance same? I feel this distance is small. Can you check it? This distance and this distance, what has happened? This has become big and this has become very small. This is almost same. Little bit small it can come, but yes, Parth, show me.
Here, ma'am.
Okay, it's okay. Vedika Reddy, show me yours.
Ma'am, now it is okay?
Yes, it is okay. Vedika Reddy, okay, no problem. Dhruvi, very good, Dhruvi. Yes, Amaira, very good. Yes, who's Arish? Show me yours. Arish. Okay, now we'll start shaping it. First is this shape where it is very easy joining the top circular curve and where it is crossing our this one. So how we are going to go? Just go with the outer curve from see to it. Come and join it at this end. Arish, I want your mama to come and speak to me right now. Now the second is the S curve. very smooth S curve. So where will be the points? We know that it is going to come from here, but how much curve it will be? So what I'm going to do, from center, this point is there, it is 2 centimeter, little bit above it. I'm taking a marking with the pencil and marking on my standing line here. And second is from the center itself, this is 2 centimeter and this is roughly 3 centimeter, I feel, by seeing the this. So I'm going out that much and I mark the point only for our reference. This is 1.5 finger and this is complete 2 fingers of mine. The relation of your finger, if you want, this is 1.5 finger above and sideways it is 2 finger. Okay, now draw this S curve. This is very important to give the very nice shape to the bird. Join it here. So how you are going to go? I have kept the center line purposely so that I can give a S curve. Little bit from inside. My this S curve is wrong. You'll have to go little bit inside. Yeah, now it is right. Slowly shape it. Come and join it here. We have done with the pole. I give little bit outer curve, just so that it should not look flat. First we will make the eye and then we will delete all this. Wait. Now this much curve you will be able to make it. If anything is wrong, I'll just tell you. This is first stage. Done? I'll see everyone's afterward. We'll make the eye, then I'll see. Okay? Now see the eye. If I have divided the circle, so eye is in the first ear, little bit outside there, but it is touching. So in this side, just make a circular eye. I can see a small reflection in it. And see the beak. This is the main thing. Just it is not a straight line, little bit going slanting. So from the center, we are just going to make a slanting, slowly slanting to this point. So what we are going to do? We are going to plot this point and from our center we are going to come there slightly with this. So where exactly is this point is 2 fingers from this side, from the right hand side. I marked a line.
Ma'am, can you please show me the eye?
Eye is only the circle what we are making. and that is in this quarter. Just a circle. It's okay. It is equal to, the circle is of your finger size. Just keep your finger on top of it whether the circle is of that much size or not. To cross check. Yes, if your printout is big, just check it out which finger, how much big the eye is. Make that much big, but it will come in this part only. The design will not change. Okay, now from this line, how much up the beak is? It is 3 finger up. So first, from the center line, 3 fingers up, I have marked one line. And from the right side, it is little bit less than the 2 fingers. So 2 fingers is here, I'll mark it here. This is the point where my beak will come down with a shape. So when I'm going to come straight like this, coming a curve, giving a curve and joining it here. This is the center dividing line of the beak.
I didn't understand how to make the point there.
Here, this point, okay.
Yes.
Now, from right side, it is almost 2 finger, not exact 2 fingers, little bit less. So what I did, with the 2 fingers, I marked one point and inside that I made a line. Because I don't know where exactly the point is coming from down, right? From the center line, go up by 3 fingers and mark that point, which is here. Clear? Okay, now if one more thing is there, if you're not able to make a slanting line, if you see this slanting line is almost with a little bit curve coming here, so if you're not able to make, you can just make one straight line and then from there just go straight and give a curve and come down. One more is there, the bird's beak tokens. It is almost equal to the twice the head times. Means if this is 5 centimeter, then it will be around 10 to 11 centimeter long.
Like this.
Yes.
And won't we be drawing the upper line of the beak?
We are going to draw. We will draw it. Yeah, like that only. Just give this. Here it is not a slanting line. Just give a curve, straight line and join it here. Now, how is the top one? We have made the eye. Okay. So, by touching eye, just make one line like this. Come and join at this point from where we have joined the curve. L shape. It's not a L proper, but it is like this. It is joining to the S curve where we have started. Yes, Krishna. Okay. Now from this point here, the beak is coming. It will be almost straight here. Come in this part, and when it comes here, just go down to give a curve. So half of the length is straight, and then remaining half it comes down and join at this point. What I did, from this point, half of it I've come straight And then I gave a curve, outer curve, and join it here. Go straight from here. When you come near this point, give a little bit S curve and join at this point. The down big, lower big, and the top big. I'll just make a straight line. Yes?
Can you see mine?
Yes, 1 minute. I'm just doing. Yes, sure. Iraira, what I said, this is, I feel, if you can see the reference picture, it is straight. Little bit slanting downwards. It is not going on the top. So completely your beak is wrong. Just check. I said it is almost straight, little bit slanting downwards, but you can make a straight one and then come downwards. It is not going to go outwards. Yes. Krishan, hold it down. Perfect. Very nice, Krishan. But this shape, the head you have made touching the center line. Can you see the bird head is touching the center line? Yes. Srinitya, hold it straight. Srinitya, give little bit curve at this end. It should be like this. It is not a straight this. Yes, Dhruvi. Very good, Dhruvi. Yes. Now it is okay, Raida. You can give more curve from here. Yes, Nandini, Amaira, everyone will show me. Rushan, Vedika Reddy, Shivani. Shivani, what has happened? Why your beak is looking thin, na? This line, you take this straight on the top.
Okay, ma'am.
Then it will become broad. Everyone just see, I have taken this line straight. I have not, there is very less line. If I draw it from the top of the head, the beak is coming very small, 1 mm or 2 mm down. Otherwise, it is almost equal to the head size. Yes, very good path. Very
Ma'am,
nice.
can you review my letter?
Yes, Vedika Reddy, just hold it straight. Very good, Vedika. Vedika, this curve has not come properly.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes,
I should
Rushan.
make it side at the start.
Yes. Rushan, same. Your beak has come. The beak is proper. This curve has not come properly. This has to be proper S curve. Just hold your book like this and make a S. Joining here and then come straight downwards. It should be a S curve.
जो निकाल लगी सर और
Vedika Reddy
give down
below. Yes, Amaira. Yeah, it is okay. Now,
ma'am, is everything done or you want to do something?
huh?
Ma'am, is everything done or are we going to
We'll
do
do
something?
we are going to sketch it completed. Yes, Shivani, very good, Shivani.
Okay,
Yes,
ma'am.
Nandini, hold it up. Iraira, very good. Nandini, hold it up. Nandini, I'm not able. Now I can see the B. Yes, it is okay. Yes, Sri Nitya, show me.
Ma'am,
Yes, Iraira.
ma'am, I've got another class, so can I leave?
But I'll not be able to share the recording in between for whole class. That's the problem. Just wait for 5 minutes, na? 5 minutes more. Then you can leave. Yes, Rushan. Very good, Rushan. Very nice. Okay. Now, as I said, to keep this, because if you can see the tail, wing tail, it is coming, if I extend this line, it is touching, it is on this side and touching. So how much long you are going to go on this straight line? Just extend it, and that will be, this is almost equal to the size of the head. Yes. So from this point, I am marking on this line. I'm just cross checking. This is my the size of the head. Yes, almost of the same. So on this straight line, I've marked a point. Up to there, I've extended. Now see how will be the shape. We'll shape it afterwards, but it's nothing but a half U joining at this point and coming on our this around 2.5 centimeter inside on this. I marked it here. On this shape, I marked it here and just gave a half U. So what will you do? Just go slanting by straight and then give a curve and join it to this point.
Ma'am,
Yes?
I have less space, so how do I have to make it?
Less space means? Show me.
We have to, 1 minute. This much space.
Take the tail little bit slanted then. Go down little bit slanted. Give it fall for the tail. Okay? Now is the legs. So if you see both are same, so how much distance is here? Take that. Same on here, mark a point. Both will be of same size. So this is one leg and this is the other leg. Height of the leg is 2 centimeters. So just mark one line. This side it will go little bit up. Of course, little bit sun. You can just one line below this. Yes, Rushan, are you able to follow this? Or no? Yes, Rushan? Yes or no?
Ma'am, I just didn't understand how to make the legs.
Okay, this you are able to make half U. Okay, now how much distance is from here to here? Is for one leg. Just shift on the left side also and mark it on the body of the bird.
Ma'am, can I leave now?
Yes, you leave it. I'll show you afterwards, you can do it. Are you able to mark it, Rusha? Now from this point, it is 2 centimeter down, everyone. Just make a line. This is your reference line. We are going to erase it. The leg, it is having a curve. Just come with a curve and stop here. Just one curve. I'll make this line very light. Reference line. This is the curve. And from here, just come slanting on this line. Keep a distance of half centimeter or equal to your lead. If you have sharpened it very nicely, then less than more than the lead size, or this is half a centimeter. So make a lead. Can you see? What curve you have made here? Say make a curve this side and join it on your straight line. Can you see this curve? What you have made? I made on this side also the same curve, joining to that point. Little bit up also it will do, no problem, like this. How much distance you have left between this? Just mark a point and come down with a straight line over there. Just we'll make the size close, then we'll shape it afterwards. How much you have come down from here? Just come down from that much only and mark one more line. See the relation here, and if you come down, it is of the same size. Just mark the line. I'm just marking point from the leg here. So on this line, that much distance I'm going here and marking on the line. Same distance. Got this? How to mark the point? I'll show you only one claw, then we'll make it next time. But how to make the claw, that I'll show. Now on this line, I'm giving a shape like this.
Ma'am, how did you make both these points?
This point, I've come down from here on this line and took the measurement. So this much, this is the distance. Same distance I've measured it on the other side. With a 1 mm or 2 mm, just make a rectangle like this. A plate type, which is pointed on both the sides. Done this? We have almost done. Now from here, where the curve is there, just come straight down, joining it to the nails, and from here just come and join it here. Okay, we'll stop now. Before stopping, what I want to tell, I'm going to make the same design. We are going to make, I am going to show a texture, and then for example, I'll show you one other, wait, I'll just share one, I'll show everyone. You can select any color I'm going to show background color will be different. Can you see? This is other. This, if you want to make your own Madhubani design, you can make it, but it will be black and white only. Because I just want to make this texture, and for texture will require corn flour, Fevicol and water and the brush to apply it. So we are going to make the texture behind on this area, and on that you can select your own color. You can make it bright to make it vibrant, any blue color, orange color or anything. You can go with this beige color, which is having a smoothing effect and all that, but having a texture with it. Or you can go with a dull shade because we are doing it black and white. No problem. It is you'll decide the background color, no problem. I show you the texture. We can make a different, okay, on the texture itself, it's a wet, like a paste we are going to apply. So you can have something else, means like a leaf ready with you. When it is wet, on the wet texture, you can emboss the leaf and leave it like that only. And then when you will color, it will give a leaf background. Something different we are going to do on this. I just don't want only the Madhubani word or like. And if you don't want to do anything, you want to leave it white, it is on your way. I'm going to show how to make it. Clear?
Ma'am, we have to do the Madhubani art at home, or you will teach us?
I'm going to show this only. If you want to make your own design, you have to select